Lolo. Mitho Lolo. Welcome to my Sindhi kitchen, where childhood memories and soul food like Sindhi curry, aloo tuk, sai bhaji, right up to hidden gems and recipes from different families from all over the world come here in this kitchen. Welcome and let's start cooking! Lolo is something which is very dear to every Sindhi's heart. It is the sweet alternative of the Koki or the Loli. So Lolo is sweet. Loli is savoury. Now this is made with whole wheat flour. Now first things first, what we actually do here, because we use a combination of jaggery, so I'm going to take about 100 mils of water, okay, in order to dissolve this jaggery powder. Okay, it's much easier later because it's a nice sweet dough. नहीं तो बराबर ये mix नहीं हो जाता है. So this will actually become also the liquid for the dough. So here I've got about 250 grams of atta here, okay, no maida but atta. And here we have some castor sugar, okay, which we have here, perfecto. Give this a little mix, make a little well here. Then we have a nice 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of elaichi powder. And then I don't want to heat this up too much, I just want to dissolve it. So I'm going to switch this. So we have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in here. So we're trying to bring this together just with our fingertips, get everything together till it starts looking like almost like breadcrumbs. Okay, the elaichi and the oil, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt as well, just a little pinch, okay, as we spoke about. And you can see it's getting the moan. इसे मोंड कहते हैं, मोंड. So once it comes together just like this, and which you can hold it, yeah. So I'm going to be adding the jaggery liquid to this. And getting this together. Now look, I've got this amazing dough which has come together. It's got to be a little firm, it's not got to be a little soft. It's got to be just exactly how I've shown it to you. Perfecto. Now we don't really have to knead this too much, okay, we just kind of bring it together. Now remember, it's almost like a short crust pastry, if you ask me, like a sweet short crust pastry that we get a lovely dough together. Now this will require about, I would say 15 to 20 minutes of resting. So this is divided into 2 bowls, okay, just like this. 15 to 20 minutes of resting, and then we start rolling. Okay. So there are a couple of techniques. Let's try this one first. So where we keep the whole thing, because after ये जब आप गुड़ इसमें डालते हो, the dough becomes a little stiff, okay. This is a very rich dough, okay. It's not like a chapati dough or a puri dough. It is a rich dough. So it's going to have cracks, it's going to have edges on the sides. It's not going to be like a perfect thing. No lolos like this. So I'm actually, इसको हम थोड़ा सा सेक लेते हैं, okay. And as you can see, it will start going, the cracks already starting to happen over here. तो हल्का सा थोड़ा आटा वाटा डाल के इसको हम सेट करेंगे. Now this is always done on a kind of low flame, which I'm trying to do. Yeah, so we've got, now remember, this is a very rich dough, okay. Now I've actually added a lot of oil, a lot of ghee in this. There's a lot of jaggery. The taste is going to be outstanding. So literally, I'm just going to put this together just like this. So we told to turn this around. Remember, this is not supposed to be like a Koki. Okay, this is a Lolo, a slightly more thicker as well. Okay, so I think at this stage I'm going to stop. This has nice rugged edges. If you ever feel like making it into shape, you can always use a cutter. So अब इसे I just about got it the right way. We put this together. अभी बिल्कुल धीमी आंच पे we gonna be cooking this. So before I put it, let me fork it a little bit. Perfect. So क्या होता है, it will cook very evenly then. ठीक है? Perfect. As of now, I haven't added any ghee or any oil into this, but slowly. So what we are going to do, we're going to slowly roast it, cook it on both sides, after which we are going to be adding a little bit of ghee. So now there are a lot of recipes, okay, where they are using actually sugar and not good. Now this recipe which we are doing is actually a combination of the jaggery and the sugar, as you can see. Now in our house, I don't think I ever seen the ones made with jaggery, but definitely the sugar ones which Nani used to make was definitely around. Moving this, pressing it a little bit so it gets nice and firm, and then I'm going to be shaping the edges again. Beautiful. So getting this together. So I think we are almost getting there. With the Lolo, we normally eat it just by itself. Lolo and nice kadak chai is a great combination. But even Lolo, dahi and papad is a very good thing to have. Okay. So as I put it on a very low flame, I've pricked it. So you can see the heat will be coming through. But believe me, I am in no hurry to turn this as yet. So I've got my second one out of the way as well. All doughs have to be rested. It needs a gluten formation. It needs to strengthen. Otherwise you have a lot of shrinkage. Okay. So especially when you have doughs which have sugar and other fattening things like butter and oil, you need to really rest them. So another lovely flip. As you can see, it's got a very beautiful color on here. This is the time where I want to add a little bit of ghee on the top. The color is absolutely amazing. And we are just going to let it really slowly cook on the other side. Perfect. Now you can see it's got a really nice cracks, but it's not broken. It's almost like, we call it a leopard skin, okay, like a leopard effect. It's really nice and crispy from the top and the bottom, and inside it's a really nice moist. And the flavor of the elaichi, the jaggery is just outstanding. Now this is how people really eat the Lolo. Itna ghee padta hai, but frankly I'm going a little easy on my diet, okay. This is definitely a celebration, but yes, ghee lole te yahi paundo aaye. That means ghee aise hi lagta hai lole ko. So this is a piece of history on your plate. The Lolos are great for travel. It is travel food, just like how the theplas are for the Gujaratis. The Kokis and the Lolos are the Sindhis. So I hope you do attempt this recipe. It requires a little bit of skill. Practice makes perfection. Until then, Sabhi Chao, Chulela.